How to fix outdated client issue on Minecraft. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to navigate through your Windows menu or your Windows logo, and from here you want to go ahead and search for add or remove programs. Now the reason why we are doing this is because the Minecraft launcher that we have, or the Minecraft client that we have, is outdated, and we want to go ahead and get a new Minecraft launcher. From here you can just go ahead and search Minecraft, and you want to go ahead and uninstall the Minecraft client that you have. Right after that, you can now go ahead and download a new copy of Minecraft. You can go ahead and do that from the Microsoft Store right here, or from the Xbox Store. You can just go ahead and search for Minecraft, and right after that it will now go ahead and show up right here. Now, as you can go ahead and see, we have the Minecraft launcher on our Microsoft Store. You can just go ahead and click on it, go ahead and click on downloads, and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.